This is a quick demo of the Vottun admin panel. This is a panel that universities would use to add new students and to create badges and certificates and to issue these certificates on the blockchain. So once you log in, you'll be able to see some basic metrics, the amount of recipients or students, badges, certificates, achievements. You will see the list of the different students that's already been added. You will have the ability to add more students, more recipients, and you have different menu items and different information. It's good to note that the site is multilingual. We have some different language packs already in. This is French. It changes instantly. We also have Spanish and other languages, but you can add in Arabic, you can add Chinese, you can add any language. There's no real limit towards the different kind of languages that you want. It only takes maybe 2 or 3 hours to add a new language pack to the platform. We have a variety of different features. I won't go through all of them in this demo. I just wanted to show you some of the basic features. So let's add a new student. So we can just go click and add recipient. And you can select from student. So in this case, we'll just pick Jean as an example student. And in this case, it's Jean Dean. And just .com, and we'll put them in a group in for the current period, which is Q1 2020. So let's say he's in the graduating class of the first quarter for 2020. Recipient ID is like a student ID, so let's just make one up. So Gene 101, just for example. First name Gene, last name Dean, just for fun. And these other fields are optional, and we can also add additional fields as needed for clients. You save, that's it. If you want to upload batches of students, you can just go ahead and do a bulk upload and just select the file, a CSV file. The CSV definition is here, and you can just upload as many students in one batch as you want. Or you can use our APIs, and APIs can connect to a backend LMS system and pull all the student data as well as the course data as well. So once you have the student added, then you may want to go ahead and create a badge. So we have some badges already created for that particular for our exercise, but we'll just add a badge just for simplicity. You can upload a badge design if you have one, or you can just use your badge designer. And our badge designer comes with different kinds of templates that you can use for your particular project. So let's go ahead and pick a template, and we can use this one. This one looks nice. And the name of the school, and we'll call this Cloud University. Okay, and we'll say the batch title is for Cloud. Well, let's choose for Oracle Cloud. Since this is an Oracle exercise, so we'll need to, you have the ability to change the logo, so you can change the logo easily. You can change colors, but would want to go ahead and put some kind of description of the course. And so I'm going to just go and grab some information from the Oracle Cloud page. And I can just click description, and the HTML editor opens up. And I can, at this point, use all the HTML editor features. Make this a heading 1, bold. I can also add links and images and so forth. We want to also do a criteria. So I'll grab some information as well for criteria. Again, this is I'm just swiping this information from an Oracle website that defines an Oracle Cloud class. And I can just grab this and also just, mark it up in the different ways that I want to. So I'll make that H1 as well. We're following the Mozilla Open Batch standards that allows us to, or suggest that we include description and criteria and other information when we publish credentials. And so now we have our badge, and we have some description information. Notice we have help for every field on our site, and on every page we have, you can just mouse over and get help. And notice this is going to be published on the Oracle blockchain. So let's go publish. We click publish, and what we're able to do now is to to select individually. So we can just select Gene to publish to, or we can just go ahead and get the entire class. So Q1 2020, we've added this group to these students, and we've found 3 into 5 students. So we just select all, and we'll only select those students. We click next, and it shows the students that we selected. The date that we want to issue the certificate is today. We can do an expiration date, which we don't want to for this. And you can do the class, let's say it started on Monday last week and it ended on Friday. So you can put the date range for the class. Achievement number would be if you want to have the student number or achievement number from the legacy system, you can use it fields. You can put testimonials for the students as well. And you can put evidence information that links back to the university. But we're going to just go straight and just publish this to the blockchain now. And when we publish, it normally takes a good amount of time to publish to different blockchains. But we've optimized our interaction with Oracle blockchain, and so it will take literally seconds for something that could take longer depending on the blockchain. So already we've published everything to the blockchain for all the students. These are the different students that we selected. You can go ahead and click to see what the badge looks like, the issue date, the initial date, the final date, the blockchain transaction ID. You can verify this transaction ID within the Oracle blockchain cloud interface. And you can also see the blockchain public key that was used for that. And so that's it. It just took a couple of minutes for us to be able to add a student, create a badge with information, and publish the badge to different students. And all the students will receive an email notifying them that they have received this badge. And they can now go to their digital wallet to be able to verify the badge and to be able to share it with employers or anyone else that they'd like to.